everyone. Hi, this is Sweetie. Today we will discuss about lower back pain, which is actually, nowadays becoming very much, common in all the people's maximum. They are suffering from lower back pain because of maybe fatigue or obesity, pregnancy problems, or maybe because of the age problem. So we'll discuss about this. What is the reason? What are the causes? What are the management skills? Let's first start with the why it happens. What is the actual reason? So what happens when our spine has forward and backward curve, which is S shape, is at yield to a force of gravity. There are muscles in the spine which maintains our erect posture. They are paraspinal and glute muscles. It is very important, to go ahead and maintain this S shape, that is S curve, to in all our erect activities. So if failing to maintain S curve, there might be unbalanced spinal system. Now when this unbalanced spinal system occurs, what happens? The other muscles which are there in our body, they go ahead and tries to give support and keep it straight in the same condition. This leads to fatigue. In return, what happens? It go ahead and pressurize the whole spinal system and leads to pain. So this is the actual reason why our spinal system pains. So it is very important you go ahead and do things which gives you relief. Now we will go ahead and see what are the causes why it happens. Okay, let's talk about the causes why it happens, why we go through a lot of pain in the back, lower back pain. So number one is bad posture, which leads to stress and strain on the disc and ligament. Any abrupt, unbalanced, unwarranted movement upsets our muscles of back disc, that is disc spinal cord. Then weightlifting due to pregnancy, occupation, which are certain occupation are full of stress. You need to sit for long, like police, doctors, computer operators, and many more. Aging is a factor where people after certain age, the water contained in the spinal nerves, they falls, and because of that also there is a lot of pain. The last one is compression in the nerves of spine. These are the reason why you go through lot of pain in the back. Now we will go ahead and see what are the things we can go ahead and manage with it and get relief from them. Now we will see what are the management skills we can go ahead and do at our home and get relief from the very big back pain. So number one is always sit with the back support. Lumbar support is very it helps to decrease load. Number three is bed rest will also help you to decrease the lower down the pain. Fourth is ice pack is also helpful. Fifth is walking in your own comfort zone is good. Sixth is braces, back braces and belts are good only in acute cases. Other than that, they are discarded once the symptom decreases, because what happens if you still wear them, they will weak your muscles and degeneration occurs quickly. Should not ride car. 7th point. Then once the pain decreases, start doing exercises, abdominal exercises and lower back exercises. Exercises gives you strength, it increases your strength as well as relieves stress from the back. Application of pain relieving ointments and spray are also good. Physiotherapy is also good. These are the things which, if you go ahead and do at your home, I'm sure it will surely help you to get relief from the lower back pain. In case if you're still facing the problem and it is getting severe, please go ahead and meet your doctor, consult your doctor, and if they will be the best person in this situation to come over it. If any query or question, please feel free to comment. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and if you feel it is good information to share with your friends and family, please go ahead and share as well. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.